Yo, what's up, man? We in Harlem right now. Just gonna get the train, okay, in grand houses, you know, 125th and Broadway, man. Going to, you know, little press conference they got. My girl Chicken, you know what I mean? It's raining out here. You know, walking down the stairs right now. Just finished doing some, promoting peace out in Queensbridge. But we out here in Harlem right now. Right, and it is what it is. You already know. All right, peace. The news. 7. 47. More news people, man. You know, it's serious out here. You know, we got News Falls out here. They out here doing their thing. You know what I mean? This is what it is, man. This is what we're doing today, man. This is what it is, man. This is what it is. This is what it is. Got the people out here, man. What we're doing today, man. Pay respect. Pay respect to our loved one. To our loved one. I mean, the whole building lit up. See? Pictures. Okay?
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm doing good.
Building flooded. We love this girl. You know, I don't even think the people understand. Thousand candles. A lot of people up there?
A few.
I'm about to go up there. 15, right?